Good morning, student. Myself, Dr. Prabhat Kumar, tutor, Department of Physiology, A.N. Magar Medical College, Gaya. Today is my topic is kidney transplant or renal transplant. Today my topic is last. Renal system is going to last, going to end. So today is my last topic, that is a renal transplant or kidney transplant. Kidney transplant or renal transplant. Introduction. Kidney transplant provides better long-term survival and improved quality of life compared to dialysis. So, kidney transplant is better than dialysis. Patient survival and transplant success has been progressively improving over the years. Kidney transplant is a treatment of choice for end-stage renal disease in eligible patients. History of renal transplant. 1902, the first successful experimental kidney transplants were performed at the Vienna Medical School in Austria with animals. 1909, the first kidney transplant experiments were performed in humans in France using animal kidneys. 1933, the first human-to-human kidney transplant was performed. Unknown to doctors at the time, there were mismatch in donors and recipients' blood groups and donor kidney never functioned. 1940, Sir Peter Medawar at the University of London experimented with the immunologic basis of organ rejection. Early 1950, cortisone-like medication were used to suppress the human body's self-defense system, immune system, resulting in some kidney transplant success. The perfect match. 1954, Joseph E. Murray and his colleague at Peter Bent Brigham Hospital in Boston performed the first truly successful kidney transplant from one twin to another. This was done without any immunosuppressive medication. So that is the transplanted kidney here, and that is the diseased kidney, or that is the chronic renal failure kidney. So diseased kidney and bladder and transplanted kidney kept in the left iliac fossa. So please remember, transplanted kidney kept in the left iliac fossa. A grafted transplanted kidney kept in the left iliac fossa, transplanted kidney, and that is the right and left diseased kidney or chronic renal failure kidney. So that is the grafted ureter, external iliac artery and vein, internal iliac artery and vein, urinary bladder, left kidney, right kidney, that is the diseased renal artery, renal vein, inferior vena cava, native ureter, but transplanted ureter is there. That is the abdominal aorta. So these are the failed kidney, or that is a diseased or chronic renal failed kidney. That is the transplanted healthy kidney. Indication of kidney transplant or renal transplant is ESRD, that is the end-stage renal disease, or GFR less than 15 ml per liter. So GFR less than 15 ml per liter. Malignancy, hypertension, diabetes mellitus, genetic diseases, that is a polycystic kidney disease, metabolic disorders, chronic renal failure, that is a CRF. So indications of renal transplant is ESRD, malignancy, hypertension, diabetes mellitus, genetic disease, that is the polycystic kidney disease, metabolic disorders, chronic renal failure. Contraindications of kidney transplant or renal transplant is cardiac and pulmonary insufficiency, hepatic diseases, concurrent tobacco use and morbid obesity puts the patient at high risk for surgery. HIV infection. So contraindication must remember for kidney transplant is cardiac and pulmonary insufficiency, hepatic diseases like hepatitis B, hepatitis C, concurrent tobacco use, and cirrhosis of liver also. Cirrhosis of liver, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, concurrent tobacco use, and morbid obesity puts the patient at high risk for surgery and HIV infection. These are the contraindications of renal transplant. Benefit and risk of renal transplant. Benefits of renal transplant is significantly reduced risk of mortality. Life expectancy can triple. Reduced risk of heart attack, a stroke, heart failure. Reduced infection-related hospitalization. Improved quality of life. More likely to stay employed. Benefit and risk of renal transplant. Risk of renal transplant are acute rejection or failure laced with current medications, anti-rejection medication effects, that is infection, some malignancy, example skin cancer, increased risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol level, graft loss over time. So these are the risks of renal transplant. Overall, in eligible candidates, the benefits for outweigh the risk. So overall, in eligible candidates, the benefits for outweigh the risk. Early transplant. More benefit to early transplant once dialysis is started. Improved graft survival if transplanted in first 6 months on dialysis, and improved patient survival if less than 1 year. Better long-term graft function the earlier transplant occurs. Preemptive transplant. Transplant before dialysis is started. So preemptive transplant of kidney means transplant before dialysis is started. Many benefits including decreased rejection rates by 25%, improved graft survival long term, improved patient survival long term, less delayed graft function, decreased overall hospitalization. So preemptive transplant is more beneficial for late transplant. Living donors. Evaluate donors on physical, medical and psychological grounds. Assure the patient that there will be no long-term harm to donors. In some cases, male living donors may develop a hydrocele on the scrotum on the side of nephrectomy. Live donors procedure are mostly laparoscopic, hence less painful, less scarring and faster recovery. Deceased donors or dead donors, brain dead donors or donation after cardiac death, brain dead or beating heart donors are considered dead, but the pumping heart continues to perfuse the other organs. So brain dead or beating heart donors are considered dead, but the pumping heart continues to perfuse the other organs. Donation after cardiac death are elective donation of organ by patient himself or the relatives to withdraw the life support as they have slim chance of survival. Compatibility of renal transplant. The patient has to be ABO blood grouping and RH typing. The recipient should share as many as HLA antigens and marrow antigens as possible. Immunosuppressant drugs are given to prevent antibody reactions. Perform antibody test on potential recipients. So perform antibody test on potential recipient. Post operation on renal transplant. The post operation time 3 hours approx for renal transplant. Donor's kidney will be placed in the lower abdomen. Post operation time 3 hours approx. Donor's kidney will be placed in the lower abdomen. Arteries vein from the recipient body is connected to new kidney. Final step is to connect the ureter to new kidney. So the final step is to connect the ureter to new kidney. New kidney starts functioning immediately. Living kidney take 3 to 5 days and cadaveric kidney take up to 7 to 15 days. So please remember, New kidney starts functioning immediately. Living kidney take 3 to 5 days and cadaveric kidney take up to 7 to 15 days. Post-operative diet. Avoid grapes, pomegranate and green tea products after renal transplant. Monitor for kidney rejection. Contraindication of renal transplant is cardiac and pulmonary insufficiency, hepatic diseases, concurrent tobacco use and morbid obesity puts the patient at high risk for surgery and HIV. Prognosis of renal transplant, that is the prognosis of renal transplant. Kidney transplant is a life-extending procedure. A patient may live up to 15 years longer with a kidney transplant than if kept on dialysis. So please remember, longevity can be up to 15 years. So it is better than dialysis. So kidney transplant is always better than dialysis. Patient will have more energy, a less restricted diet, and fewer complications with a kidney transplant. Outcome of renal transplant is patient survival after deceased donor renal transplantation is more than 90% at 1 year and more than 80% at 5 years. Graft survival is around 90% at 1 year and 75% at 5 years. Graft survival after a second transplant is only marginally worse than after a first graft. After living related kidney transplant, after living related kidney transplantation, overall graft survival is around 95% at 1 year and 85% at 5 years. And that is a summary of renal transplant is the best treatment for end-stage renal disease is renal transplant. Kidney transplant saves lives, improves quality of life and saves cost. Living kidney donation is safe and provides better outcomes. Preemptive transplant is best but also advantage to early transplantation once on dialysis. And that is a thank you. And that is last class. Today is my last class. So what will be my next class allotted? Accordingly I will do. So I hope you enjoy with this video. And that today is my last topic and my excretory system or renal system is over today. So thank you.